What's going on, guys? Ep.1 here. We just got back from our New York vacation for the summer, and we have a lot of stuff to upload and review. And I thought I'd start out with the haul of Porsche Hot Wheels cars that I got. I got a bunch of Porsche Hot Wheels that are some collectors, some basic cars. We got a truck and transport thing, a team transport thing, and even a Matchbox car. And I figured I'd review some of these and open some of them up for you guys, and yeah, we can get right into it. So the first thing is this. This is for the Matchbox 50th anniversary. It is a 1980, I think, 1980 Porsche 911 Turbo. I don't like this packaging. I like the little box it comes in, and also I'd like to look at this, so I'm actually going to be opening this up. So here's the Matchbox. Pretty cool. And the car itself. Beautiful. Oh, this is so nice. Let me focus on it. So this 50th anniversary Superfast. It's got these beautiful rubber spoked wheels. The yellow and blue paint here that says 911 is so cool. We got the tan interior. It says turbo on the back, Porsche. The rear spoiler is black because it's actually rubber on the real car, I think. And they have that detail. And the door's open, which is kind of cool. I like with Matchbox, you never know what they're gonna decide to cast. Like the basic cars are pretty unpredictable. You might see a really unique and rare vehicle that they just decide to make into a die cast, while Hot Wheels tends to do the more predictable stuff. This is not anything out of the ordinary. It's a 80s 911, but there's some other stuff that I'll be reviewing in the near future that I thought was pretty cool that they did. This isn't going to take forever. I need to hurry though. So we got some of these basic cars. I must have reviewed this on this channel 100 times, this 914 Safari, but it was for free at a flea market that I went to. I got both of these Porsche 935s in both colorways that they came in. Really, the only differences are just swapping out of the plastic bases, and some of the decal colorations is different, and you have gray matte wheels in this one and gold wheels in this car. I don't even know which one I like more, but that was pretty cool to get both variations. They were $1, and will look good on my Porsche wall once I, get my own place and have a nice wall that I could display all of my Porsche Hot Wheels that I've collected. Next up is this 86 944 Turbo. I've already reviewed this on this channel, so I'm going to be opening this one up, and it's going to go on my Porsche display that I have actively. Plastic base, metal body. I love the wheels. I think they look really cool on this car. I have a 924S, and it's a very similar body style. The 944 is wide body, but it's kind of cool just to see different wheel types on this silhouette. 944 kind of looks like the Buick Grand National logo. The thing looks like a turbocharger, the 9. It's a little niche, random thought I have, but I'll put a picture up of it. Urban Outlaws. Nice metallic gray. This car looks fantastic. Very cool. I have one in the box, so it's cool to have one out and about. Next up, I have two Porsche racing cars from two different series. This is from the Gran Turismo series, and it's the 962 GT car. Very nice. And the 934.5 racing car, which came before this, the predecessor. I love the body kit on this thing, and the yellow and red racing stripes, and the whole livery of this car is so beautiful in my opinion. This is one, if I could pick up a second, I'd open it up. You can see where the body kit kind of encompasses the original body frame, or the original body shape of the car. Very cool. This is just a car culture car. And here are some of the others in this assortment. It'd be cool to get my hands on the Sport Quattro, and I don't have a die-cast RS200, which would be really cool to have. Actually, these are all fantastic choices. The Lancia is really cool too. I'm not big into rally cars, but the Audi Sport Quattro is a pretty sick 5-cylinder car that I played a lot of in Forza, so it'd be nice to have that as a die-cast car. And then last but not least, I wanted to make this its own video, but I have so much stuff to film. This 930 Aerolift, this really sick rollback and race car on the back of it. I'm pretty sure that I think this is a drift car. A drift car will be transported in a traditional trailer, not on a rollback. This is usually what people use to like tow junk vehicles or repo stuff. But nonetheless, I love the theming. I am not sure if this is maybe based upon an actual drift team. I'll look into it and see what this is about. But I love the windows are sort of like fiberglass that's riveted in, and there's a little hole, and rear bumper deleted so the crazy exhaust can stick out. And I love these 6-spoke deep dish wheels with the chrome rim and the gold like dish that are also on the rollback. I'm pretty sure that these rollbacks slide too. Very cool. I got this from Walmart, but I loved it. But anyway, thank you guys very much for watching, and yeah, subscribe for more videos. Bye.